it has been outrage. At the union, leaders have been outraged by the audacity of our security agencies steadily shutting down the democratic space. At the moment, a meeting is going on, and speaker after speaker is being the same expression of anger, shock, disbelief, that if the state could do this to the president of the Nigerian Labour Congress, no one is safe. And we see it as a grievous act of provocation to draw us out, okay? We also see it as a signal of dirtier things that will happen in this country. You recall our press statement sometime last week when we said that the charges thrown at Comrade Joe Ajaero were actually intended to scare him, to distract the Nigerian Labour Congress so that the state can carry on with its callous policies. This is the script playing out. And if this can happen in a democracy, it should not be proper for me to predict what the outcome of the meeting, of the ongoing meeting. It won't be proper. But I have told you, speaker after speaker has expressed outrage, shock, disbelief. Okay? So there is anger. But one thing I also want Nigerians to notice this, that this harassment is not restricted to the NLC alone. If you listen carefully, if you keep your ear to the ground, you begin to pick signals here and there. So the country must be prepared to confront this evil. This is clearly not good. This is not good publicity for this country. And if we carry on like this, then we should apologize to our past political leaders, including the military. We should apologize to them.